Welcome to the Dandenong Ranges, one of Victoria's most beautiful natural areas. Today, we're going to take you on an unforgettable journey aboard the Puffing Billy steam train, a heritage railway that winds its way through the hills and valleys of this stunning region. Puffing Billy Belgrave Station is located 48 kilometers from Melbourne CBD, which typically takes about 50 minutes to travel by car. For adult passengers, a round-trip ticket between Belgrave and Lakeside Station costs $61 Australian. Puffing Billy is a true icon of Australia's railway history. Built in 1900 to serve the rural communities in the Dandenong Ranges, this narrow-gauge railway is now a popular tourist attraction that draws visitors from all over the world. As we climb aboard, you can feel the excitement in the air. For many of us, this is a chance to step back in time and experience the golden age of steam travel. As the train chugs out of the station, we start to feel the rhythm of the tracks beneath our feet. The sound of the steam engine is music to our ears, and the whistle echoes through the hills as we make our way deeper into the forest. Traveling over Puffing Billy's most famous landmark, the iconic Trestle Bridge. The scenery is breathtaking, with towering trees, fern gullies, and stunning views of the valley below. You can indulge in the time-honored tradition of sitting on the carriage sill, which is an exciting experience for people of all ages. But it's not all smooth sailing. As we climb up steep inclines and navigate tight curves, the engine works hard to keep us moving forward. The smell of the coal and the heat of the steam make us feel like we're part of the action. As we journey through Sherbrooke Forest, renowned for its indigenous mountain ash trees, we pass through quaint villages and historic towns, waving to the locals as we go. When we reached the Lakeside Station, we had a chance to stretch our legs and explore the area. From lush rainforests, walking trails, a modern cafe, bike hire to a paddleboat in the cool waters of Lake Tregonowan, there's something for everyone here in the Dandenong Ranges. As we pull back into the Belgrave station, we feel a sense of accomplishment and excitement. We've experienced something truly special, a journey through time that we'll never forget. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey aboard the Puffing Billy steam train in the Dandenong Ranges. We hope you've enjoyed the ride, and we look forward to having you again on our next travel destination. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We read every comment and appreciate your feedback. If you found it helpful, informative, or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Amazing Australia, for more travel destinations.